Free yourself from unwanted connection. Remove your phone number on Discord now. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove phone numbers from Discord without logging in. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your device. If you are logged in, you will be ready to go. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the settings icon at the top right to open the user settings. This menu holds your account settings, including your phone number. In the user setting, find and tap the account section. This is where your personal details including phone numbers are stored. In the account section, click on the phone option. Then tap the remove phone number option. Discord will ask you to enter your password for security purpose. Enter it to confirm the removal. Once verified, your phone number will be successfully removed and your phone number is no longer tied to your Discord account. So this is how to remove phone number from Discord without logging in. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.